Kellen? Rocco? David? Come over here. I can't see you. Hey. Come over here. Got some chalk? Can you say Kellen? Rocco? Lehman? Kellen? You do say it, not now. Kellen? Rocco? Lehman? Where's the baby?
My baby.
Yes, your baby. Is it sister? The baby sister. Baby sister. You just colored all over your baby sister. How do we say touchdown? Touchdown! Go Pack! Love you. Oof.
Kellen, can you say Packers? Packers.
That's the wrong side, buddy.
The driver on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The driver on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Can you sing with Daddy? Okay, Daddy's gonna sing.
The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
Look at Daddy.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the town.
I thought maybe we could get you singing your song.
Got an old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With the ba-ba here and the ba-ba there. Here a ha, there a ba, everywhere a ba. Ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O.
A dog.
With a woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. On that farm he had
Here,
a
go
wolf,
over by Daddy.
E-I-E-I-O. With a oh here.
You dancing to Faith Hill? Keep dancing. Here comes the football game. You say touchdown?
Touchdown.
You show Mommy how you say touchdown? Hey. Touchdown.